Hi, it's me Gayloo, and I will make an annoying sound. Okay, here I go.
Oh my god, Gayloo, stop making that annoying sound, otherwise you are grounces for 55 chars and infinity.
No
Shut up! That sound be more annoying than potatoes.
You will eat all the potatoes. Potatoes, 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 potatoes.
This is insanity. You stop making annoying sound right now or no more chuck cheesies for you ever again. Now am I making myself clear to you?
No, do not take me away from Chuck Cheesy, that be my sacred holy ground.
Then stop making stupid noises like the moron idiot that you are, or me shall throw you out open window head first. Okay, that you are grounces for 55 chars for disobeying your father. Now go to your sleep chamber and stay there until you die. You do not dishonor your parent.
Cry sob wah wah cry boo hoo hoo wah wah sob.
Shut up.